Kaizens have been around since the 1950s. They were popularized by Masaki Ami's work and his 1985 book, Kaizen, The Japanese Spirit of Improvement. Recently, Ami said that he thought the definition of Kaizen should be more than continual improvement. He would rather we think of a Kaizen approach as everyday improvement, everybody improvement, and everywhere improvement. When I first learned about Kaizen, it was focused on manufacturing processes. The techniques and tools were aimed at processes that were physical, machine-dominated, data-rich, and singular. For example, one manufacturing line that everyone worked on. But I was working in transactional processes. When we tried using the classic Kaizen tools, we were not highly successful. The transactional processes like accounting or due diligence of a real estate loan were poorly, if at all, documented, difficult to observe, and often had no data to analyze. Most importantly, we found that the processes were not standard across the different process workers. These differences could be quite substantial, making it more difficult to execute on-the-spot changes. In addition, some transactional processes are restricted by standards that need formal revision to change. So to make the Kaizen workshop more relevant to transactional processes, my colleagues and I modified the traditional Kaizen approach. The chevron map gives you a high-level look at how the Rapid Results Transactional Kaizen is facilitated. We call it Rapid Results because the team leaves the 1 to 3 day session with permission to quickly move ahead on 3 types of improvements. The 30-day improvements, or quick hits, are high benefit and easy to implement. The 60-day actions are mid-benefit, mid-easy type projects, and the 90-day actions are game changers that are of high value but difficult to implement. Most Kaizens yield a mix of these improvement types in their action plan. This chevron map also highlights the significant amount of work that happens before the workshop even starts. If you skip the pre-work, you might as well not do the Kaizen at all. It's that critical to success. The Rapid Result Kaizen session itself can run from 1 to 3 days. It features the interrogation and clarification of the current state process. During the interrogation, the subject matter experts may change process order, they may remove waste, eliminate non-value added process steps, they'll find process pain points, and generate ideas for improvement. The ranking of improvement actions into the 30, 60, 90 action plan is energizing and motivating for the subject matter experts. They're finally getting to change process problems they have recognized and dealt with for years. The streamlined future state is designed, as is the path to get from the current to the future state process. Finally, the post-workshop piece focuses on project management of implementing the 30, 60, 90-day action plan that was generated in the workshop. This includes removing roadblocks, implementing change management, and training and standardization of the new work process. The fishbone diagram illustrates 10 critical elements needed to make a Rapid Results Kaizen workshop a success. While all 10 elements are important, if you had to pick the 3 most critical to success, they are, firstly, an involved and motivated sponsor with the authority to immediately tell the team which improvements they can and cannot implement. The second is having the right people in the room. Without the right subject matter experts, who are usually a cross-functional team that knows how the process really works, it is impossible to come up with the most important pain points and ideas for improvement. Because process data is often not available, we rely on these experts to act as reliable data sources. Thirdly and finally, the Kaizen facilitator designs the Kaizen workshop, leads the SMEs through often thorny discussions of pain points and ideas, and acts as project manager after the workshop. A good facilitator works as a trusted advisor to the team. The facilitator is the conductor that orchestrates all the moving parts of a Kaizen workshop to come together, work together, and put substantial improvements in place.